the Washingtons, hitting you guys with another video in sunny April in Wisconsin. This is how they do it out here. There was a little bit of bitterness in my heart a little bit earlier because they lied to me and they said that this like never happens. But it seems like everything they said that wasn't gonna happen is happening this year. So it's bonding time for me. It's bonding time for me and Chelsea. We're loving it though. Talking about the past, our families, and she's cracking on me because I'm making noises while I'm shoveling. You know, manly noises.
Manly.
And she was out here copying me, and I don't know. She thinks don't be a hater, but she's a great helper. I love my wife, and yeah, we're just enjoying it, doing our thing.
Frozen hair.
We deserve some burgers and shakes, yes, even in this weather now. But I don't even know if you can hear me, but hopefully you can. It's really windy and it's snowing a lot. We're gonna have to shovel again, but oh well, it's life. So we're just grateful. I hope you guys are having a great Sunday. It's a 72-hour snow, so we've been getting it for the past 2 days, and we have another day tomorrow, and it hasn't stopped, and the wind's blowing really hard. So this is our weather report from the Washingtons. Anything you have to say, babe? What'd you learn today? Come on, speak loud too so they can hear you. What'd you learn today? We did a Bible study, so she has something that she learned today.
My brain is frozen.
Come on, what'd you learn? What did we talk about? We were in,
First Timothy. We're
oh, so see, you remember First Timothy 3 and 4. What were we talking about? That's Shay. We're talking about bishops and deacons, the way that we're supposed to live our life. Go ahead.
What to look for in a wife, I guess, right?
Yep.
Yeah, that's like a helper and
then we also talked about what? Character and integrity.
Yeah.
Talked about that as well. What are those? What's character?
Ooh, I don't remember.
It's an action.
It's an action.
What's integrity?
Mindset.
There you go. Alright, we gotta get out of here, guys. We love you, and we'll talk to you soon. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And later.